he's alright, doesn't need any help. I saw what happened, don't worry. I think he's okay. Look, let me get you, do you want to take my details? I got it on camera. I don't know whether you have a dash cam. I saw what happened. Just make sure you give him your details and stuff. Do you want to take my number? Relax. Come step to the side. We'll talk to him. He's okay, I think, and you're hopefully okay. So take a deep breath. You ready to take my number?
Yes, sir.